Started the book of Daniel, chapter 2, talking about the statue of Nebuchadnezzar. Yeah, we explained that the head of the statue was made of gold, which is Babylon, according to the explanation of Daniel. The chest and arm of silver, which is Medo-Persia. The belly and thigh of bronze, which is Greece. And the iron legs, which is Rome. Then there is another part, which is the iron mixed with mighty clay. That's the toes. Now, Daniel explained that these parts will be so diverse, different from the rest of other kingdoms, and that is Rome. He said it will crush into pieces every other kingdom. So maybe we're going to explain to you Babylon reigned, and after that came Medo-Persia, and after that came Greece, and after Greece came Rome. Rome was the last empire. The rest of the empire is divided Rome, which we see as the European Union today. Okay, divided Rome. Now, Daniel explains something so interesting here that I want to point out to you. Chapter 2 of the book of Daniel, verse 41. It says, "And whereas thou sawest the feet and toes, part of porous clay and part of iron, the kingdom shall be divided, but there shall be in it of the strength of the iron, for as much as thou sawest the iron mixed with miry clay, and as the toes of the feet were part of iron and part of clay, so the kingdom shall be partly strong and partly broken. And whereas thou sawest iron mixed with miry clay, they shall mingle themselves with the seed of men, but they shall not cleave one to another, even as iron is not mixed with clay." Interesting. Daniel said that this kingdom, the last of it, will be iron mixed with miry clay. So we have the head of gold, which is Babylon, the arm and chest of silver, which is Medo-Persia. Then we have the belly and the thigh made of bronze, which is Greece. Then we have the legs of iron. Now, the last kingdom would be iron mixed with miry clay. Now, the description is so interesting for us to understand what Daniel explained here. He said they would try to mingle with the seed of men. Remember, seed is life. So they're gonna mix themselves with humans, which means they are non-humans. Okay? They are not humans. You see the description? Metals, gold, silver, bronze, iron. It's so interesting because it is used to distinguish them from clay, which is human. Remember, Adam was made of dust of the earth. Ezekiel told us about the potter's house. Yahuwah was explaining to Ezekiel, he said, "I am the potter, and we humans are the clay." So he used the clay to explain to Daniel who we are. So when the clay, the miry clay was mentioned here, it signifies pure species of human. And Daniel is telling us, when you see the pure species mixed up with machines, the end is near. So he said, in the last of this kingdom, they would try to make men machines, mini robots. Interesting. We can see what is happening in the world today with the vaccine program. Scientists have discovered the graphene oxide, which is capable of making humans cyborgs. So And it's interesting. The Bible said they will not cleave to one another. They will try to mix themselves, but they cannot mix as iron cannot mix with clay. So interesting. So we want you to follow us on Yahuwah is his name on Facebook and on YouTube. You can follow us on Elohim Yahuwah,